Saturday. I don't know, maybe 13-30 hours. All is quiet here. Quick story time. Have this, you can't really see it all, but I'm running out of room. I have this air compressor that I found a long time ago, and it is powered by a Chrysler single cylinder 8.8 cubic inch 4-cycle engine. The original engine died about 2 years after I got here. It just wouldn't hold compression, and that's only because I ran the hell out of this compressor for a long time when I was in LA. Spent a lot of time on Sundays down in the San Gabriel off-highway vehicle area, or Azusa Canyon, and I found another engine at the vehicle club meeting, just like this one, and a couple of weeks ago, a nice man advertised this engine. I thought he only had one for sale for $100. Here's the data plate. You can pause that, read that for a minute. Anyway, the replacement that I found was just like this, had the board attached to it. This here is electronic ignition. It's all waterproof, and here too. I forget what CARC stands for. The acronym for that is, and this engine was painted 1186, but it's I'll look it up, put it in the description. I don't want to get it wrong. So I asked the guy, called him and talked to him, and he said, oh, I have 4 in an airplane hangar that I own up in Orcas, Washington. And so we made the deal, and Tuesday, when we had our bomb cyclone, which blew everything, brought more leaves from across the street, blew some of my spare weasel panels down, just made a mess of everything, cleaned out a lot of the leaves out of this tree, which has to get cut again. Anyway, so I asked if I could buy 2 of these, and he said sure. And let's go look at the other one. Be right back. Alright, we're out at the Ben-Hur trailer. I gotta run this generator sometime soon again. Here's the other engine. And I learned something when I was volunteering at Fort MacArthur Museum a long time ago. Once you open the box, you ruin the originality, and it can never be opened again. So I'm not going to open this box, but here is the label: Aquamarine Incorporated, Deer Harbor, Washington. And this is box 4 of 4. I don't know where Surplus Center is. Oh, wait, there it says right there. Lincoln, Nebraska, 1000 West O Street. So there's the second one. And when I bought the air compressor, I think it was back in 2001, and that thing ran so much, you know, and I barely run the air compressor that you saw earlier in the video. I barely run it, so sorry, lost my train of thought. So it's the one that's on there now is probably never going to get run out, meaning destroyed. You know, the cylinder will probably, in my lifetime, never run itself out. So anyway, this concludes the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.